Hey all, it's Angela DeMarco, aka Mama DeMarco, Mighty Tripod Acting Studio, and it's time. That's right, I know you've all been waiting for youth and teen monthly workshops. We used to do it the last Sunday of every month, something new every month, a class for the youth and a class for the teens. So, 2021, we're bringing it back. Now, what's the difference? We're gonna be via Zoom. But that's all right, because you're all used to Zoom by now. And that way we can all stay safe, but keep honing our craft, sharpening those acting skills, having fun, and being mighty. And what's a big bonus? David. That's right. David S. Hogan is going to be with us for some of the workshops. So you're going to be getting some Mama DeMarco and some of the principal. So, parents, if you are looking for something for your youth or your teen actors to dive into, we hope that you'll join us the last Sunday of every month. Hop over to our website, mightytripod.com, and we'll see you Zoom.